Hi guys, I hope everyone is doing good. And as we are doing PERT and CPM from Operations Research, and we have done how to construct a PERT network, how to find out critical path, and how to calculate earliest and latest time for the activities if durations are given. And now today we will learn how to put dummy in the PERT network. So let's take a situation and we will understand how we put the dummy. Okay, so we can see here B and C activities are starting after the completion of A activity, and D is dependent on B and C activities. So A is the first activity in this network. So how we will do? This is the first activity A, and after completion of A only we can start B and C, right? So B and C like this we can start after the completion of A. Now we can start when B and C completed. So how we can do? We will connect this B to C. Then we will start from this point D activity, next activity. So this is a method to put the dummy. This is called, this dotted line is called dummy activity. Dummy activity. So this is the way how we put the dummy, and then we start the next activity in our PERT network. So this is the numerical. Now come to the numerical. In this numerical, in first column activities are given, and in second column predecessors are given. So we can see for this activity A, no predecessor is given. So this is the first activity of the network. So we will take A is the first activity, and B, C and D will start after completion of A activity. So we will start B, C and D. B, C and D. And we will put the name 2, 3 and 4. Now we can see here E and F activities are starting after completion of B, C and D. So B, C and D. So how we will do? We will connect these activities at a point. So like this we will connect, and from this point we can start activity E and F. Right? Now next activity is G, and it is starting after completion of E and F. So E is here, F is here. So how we will do? We will connect these activities by dummy activity, and from this point we can start activity G. So 4, 5, 6 and 7. Like this we put the numbers, and we can see here here are 3 activities, 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3 dummy activities in the PERT network. So this is our completed PERT network where we put the dummy activities. So I hope you guys understood. And one more time I am revising. See, there is no predecessor for A activity. So A is the first activity, and B, C, D activities will start after the completion of A only. So B, C and D. Next, E and F activities are starting after completion of B, C, D. So how we will do? We will connect these activities like this, and these are called dummy activity. Dummy. And this is also dummy. So here are 3 dummies in our network. So we connected these activities by these dummy activity, and now next is E and F. So E and F, these 2 activities are starting from this point, and next after completion of E and F, G activity is starting, right? So we will connect like this dummy activity, and from here we can start next activity, which is G. So this is the method we put the dummy in the network. So I hope you guys understood, and in my next videos we will do more type of PERT network where we put the dummy in the diagram, and other type of situations how we put the dummy. So I hope you guys understood now. Till then, take care. Bye bye.